Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. I am Namita Mane. In today's video, let us discuss insurance, life and non-life insurance. So let us discuss in detail about this topic. In today's video, we are going to cover the following topics like what is insurance, types of insurance, life insurance, non-life insurance, what is life insurance, types of life insurance, what is non-life insurance, types of non-life insurance, and list of life and non-life insurance companies in India. So all these points we are going to cover in today's video. So without wasting time, let's start the session. So first we'll try to understand what is insurance. Now insurance is a financial product. Insurance is what? A financial product, and this financial product is to reduce or minimize the risk of loss to life, health or property. So it is a financial product, and why this financial product it is? It is to reduce or to minimize the risk of loss, okay, to life, health or property. It is a legal agreement. Insurance is a legal agreement between two parties. So parties involved in insurance are two parties. One is insurance company, the insurer, and the individual is insured. Okay, so these are the two parties who are involved in insurance. Insurance company and the individual person. Then it is an arrangement. Insurance is a arrangement by which an insurance company undertakes to provide a guarantee of compensation for loss, damage, illness or death in return for a payment of premium. So insurance is a guarantee of compensating the loss which is suffered by the policy holder, and in return the policy holder has to pay premium to the insurance company. Now there are two types of insurance. One is life insurance and second is non-life insurance. Non-life insurance is also called as general insurance. So non-life insurance and general insurance are one and the same. Now next we'll move to life insurance. Now let's discuss what is life insurance. Now as the name suggests, life insurance is a insurance on your life. Okay, as the name suggests, life insurance. So it is a life insurance or insurance on your life. Okay. So life insurance policy is a contract between an individual. Life insurance policy is a contract between an individual and the policy provider. Who is the policy provider? The insurance company, in which the insurance company gives financial protection to the policy holder in exchange for monthly fees, and that monthly fees is known as premiums. Now premiums can be monthly, half yearly or quarterly or yearly also. It depends on the policy which the individual is removing. Based on the arrangement, in the event of the death of the policy holder or if the policy matures, the insurance provider shall pay the person or his family a lump sum amount after a certain amount of time. It covers life. Life insurance covers life, and along with covering the life, it also has the provision to provide a saving and investment avenue. Saving here means the benefit on maturity. So along with covering the life, life insurance also has the provision of saving and investment also. Now for example, if the policy holder outlives the policy period, he or she can get back the premium paid over the years. This is all about life insurance meaning and what is life insurance. Now next we'll move to the types of life insurance. So first type of life insurance is term life insurance. Now term life insurance is the simplest form and a pure protection plan. This term life insurance is a plan of life insurance available in the market. A term insurance offers a large coverage at an affordable premium. So in case of death of the policy holder, the nominee gets the amount, the sum assured. Okay. Next plan is, so next plan type of life insurance is endowment plan. Now this plan, endowment plan, are insurance and plus investment plan. Okay, so endowment plan is insurance as well as investment plan. So in endowment plan, a certain portion of the premium, okay, so a certain portion of the premium is paid for protection of life, and the remaining amount is invested in low risk debt funds. Okay, so endowment plan offers you the two combination, that is insurance as well as investment plan. Out of this premium which the policy holder pays, the half amount is given for the protection of life and half amount is invested in low risk debt funds. Next plan is unit link insurance plan, ULIP plans. Okay, so unit link insurance plan is a mixture of investment and insurance. So it is like endowment policy only. Okay, so just like endowment policy, in unilinked insurance plan, a certain portion of premium goes in providing life coverage, and while other portion is invested in the markets to earn returns. Okay, so this is unit link insurance plan. Next is money back policy. Next type of life insurance is money back policy. So money back life insurance plan are a unique form of life insurance policy in which a portion of the sum assured is paid back directly to the insured, means the individual, at a regular interval as a survival benefit. Okay, so for example, a money back policy for a term of 15 years, if the individual person has removed a money back policy for the term of 15 years, so then he can get the amount, certain amount, at the end of the 5th year or 10th year of the policy term. Next type of life insurance policy is whole life insurance. Now whole life insurance offers you coverage of your entire life. The policy term for whole life insurance plan extends up to 100 years and as long as the premiums are paid. If the policy holder lives longer than 100 years, the insurance company gives maturity benefit, and during the purchase of this whole life policy, a nominee is mentioned. In case of any unfortunate events like death, they get the nominee person will get the death claim and any bonus if applicable. So these are the types of life insurance. Now next we'll move to non-life insurance. So what is non-life insurance? Non-life insurance is also called as general insurance. So let's discuss in detail. Non-life insurance, like general insurance, covers non-life assets. So non-life itself, the name suggests non-life insurance means which covers non-life assets. Okay, general insurance covers non-life assets such as your house, vehicle, health, travel from floods, fire, thief, accident and man-made disasters. So general insurance is a contract of indemnity covering non-life assets. Okay, so general insurance is a contract of indemnity which is covering only non-life assets. Now what is contract of indemnity? So contract of indemnity means a contractual agreement between two parties. Okay, so contract of indemnity means a contract between two parties. In this contract or in this agreement, one party has to pay for the potential losses or damages caused by another party. Okay, so it is a promise. It is a promise to pay on your losses. If any loss claim is not made, no part of premium can be brought back. Okay, so in general insurance, the general insurance covers non-life assets like your vehicle, house, health. Okay, and in this the insurance company promise to pay to the policy holder if the policy holder suffers any losses. Okay, and if the policy holder do not claim any loss, then the premium which the policy holder has paid will not get, he will not get back the premium. Now we'll move to the types of non-life insurance, means general insurance. Now types of non-life insurance are as follows. First is health insurance. Health insurance is an indemnity plan that pays for hospitalization expenses, okay, medical cost of the sum insured. The premium paid towards the health insurance policy usually covers the treatment, hospitalization and medication cost. So health means non-life non-life insurance, that is general insurance. First type is health insurance. Health insurance means it covers your health, like if you are admitted in hospital, so hospitalization expenses, medical expenses etc will be covered in health insurance. Next is motor insurance. Now motor insurance means the vehicle insurance. Motor insurance covers your vehicles and covers your vehicles against accident, damage, thief and so on. And this motor vehicle insurance forms of two form. Okay, so there are two types of motor vehicles. One is comprehensive and second is third party insurance. So motor vehicle, motor insurance covers your vehicles, okay, like two-wheeler, four-wheeler and so on. And this motor insurance are of two types. One is comprehensive and second is third party. So let's talk about comprehensive and third party insurance. So a comprehensive motor vehicle policy provides a 360 degree. So comprehensive motor insurance policy provides a 360 degree cushion to your vehicle against damage caused due to floods, fire, riots, etc. Along with this, it also offers the rider a personal accident coverage along with the third party liability. Next is third party motor insurance. Now third party motor insurance take care the damage suffered by a third party in case of an accident caused by your vehicle. As per the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, it is mandatory to have a motor insurance. So as per this act, Motor Vehicle Act 1988, it is compulsory for all the vehicles to have a motor insurance. Next is home insurance. Now home insurance is a non-life insurance and it protects your home and its belonging from the damage suffered due to man-made or natural disaster. So home insurance which protects, home insurance means the house insurance which protects your house and the belongings from the damage suffered due to man-made or natural disaster. Next type of non-life insurance is travel insurance. A travel insurance policy protects you against losses suffered due to loss of baggage, delay in flight, trip cancellation, and so on. Suppose in some cases travel insurance, in travel, if you are hospitalized while traveling, in some cases if you are hospitalized while traveling, a travel insurance may also offer you a cashless hospitalization. Okay, so these are types of non-life insurance. Next, we'll see the list of life and non-life insurance company in India. There are many insurance company in India. I have selected some 14 insurance companies. So these are as follows: Life Insurance Corporation of India, HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited, Max Life Insurance Company, Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance, then Bajaj Allianz. These are some of the top companies of insurance companies in India. Thank you. I hope you have understood today's topic, insurance, life and non-life insurance. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notification.